Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're diving into a true legend, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Whether you're a die-hard off-road enthusiast or a fan of iconic design, this beast is sure to impress. Let's break it down. Car details. First off, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, a nod to the iconic FJ40 from the 60s, blends retro styling with modern tech. It comes with a robust 3.8 all-turbocharged 6-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission, making it a powerhouse for both on-road cruising and tough off-road terrain. Exterior. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The FJ40 retains that unmistakable boxy shape with its aggressive front grille and round headlights classic. The high-clearance wheel arches and the rugged stance scream off-road capability, while the iconic roof rack and reinforced bumpers show it's built for adventure. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and utility, designed to tackle anything the road or trail throws at it. Interior. Inside, the FJ40 strikes a balance between durability and comfort. The minimalist design features rugged, easy-to-clean materials, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. You get supportive, leather-wrapped seats, modern touchscreen infotainment, and even the latest Toyota safety features like lane assist and adaptive cruise control. It's simple, functional, but still feels modern. Comfort level. In terms of comfort, the FJ40 is surprisingly accommodating for long drives, with well-cushioned seats and decent legroom. The ride can be a bit bouncy given its off-road nature, but if you're looking for smooth city cruising, it's not the softest. But if you're in the mountains or desert, that rugged ride feels right at home. Performance. Performance-wise, the 2025 FJ40 is a beast, with 330 horsepower and a 4WD system that's ready for any challenge. It's more than capable on rocky trails, sand dunes, or muddy paths. The 6-speed manual gives you that raw, hands-on experience, and the suspension is tuned to handle both the toughest terrains and the open road. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a perfect mix of vintage charm and modern power. It's got the rugged appeal, the performance chops, and the comfort you need for all your adventures. If you're looking for a vehicle that's both a workhorse and a piece of automotive history, this one's got it all. That's it for today's review. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next one.